Hello guys, very good evening. Today we will talk about one arm row. This exercise one of the variations from latissimus dorsi muscle group training. Okay, when we doing back biceps in advanced level, then if you want to train your latissimus dorsi or all the pulling muscle group, then you can add one of these exercise which include your latissimus dorsi, like leg pull down with all the grips and seated row, one arm straight arm pull down on the cable, and this pull over, dumbbell pull over on the bench. There are so many options. Okay, bent over also. So there are some particular exercises which are very important and very effective, like leg pull down and chin ups, pull ups. If you cannot do pull ups, then leg pull down will be the best option, second best option, and after that you can do bent over with dumbbell or barbell. Okay, this exercise and do with dumbbell or barbell. And after that there are 3-4 supported exercises. So this is one of the supported exercise, and this is not very effective exercise. If you are adding this exercise into your workout schedule, then you have to keep in mind that first you finish all the important exercises, all the sets, like pull-ups or chin-ups, and after that leg pull down and bent over row. And if still you feel like you have a lot of energy to train your back muscles, then you should add this exercise, because it is supported exercise and it is not very effective exercise. And if you are trying to add this exercise, then we will learn today how to do this exercise. Okay, so we will do demo for 5 repetitions, then we'll talk about this. Okay, so this exercise targets your back, latissimus dorsi muscle group, and this is unilateral exercise. You have to finish one side, then the other side. Okay, this is 5 kg dumbbells. We will try with this. So there are 3-4 things you have to learn first. So the stance. Okay, so stance should be like in triangle. Suppose this is 4 pad, this is 4 pad chair, and if you remove one pad, then it become tripod. So all the 3 pads should be in the equal distance. Okay, so keep your hands under the shoulder and your knees under your hip and equal distance. This distance and this your leg distance should be same, not very far like this or behind. Okay, and both knees should be in the same line. Okay, so keep your hands under the shoulder. Do not lock your elbow like this, a little sharp like this. Okay, and do not keep your hands in between or in the center of the chair, because it will stretch your palms. So try to keep it here, it is better. Okay, so this is straight, a little sharp, and do not sit on your legs. Your torso should be parallel to floor, not like incline. Okay, so keep in mind, because when we are pulling this movement, the weight must go vertical, like tangent 90 degree to the gravity. If I am sitting like this, then direction will be changed, weight's direction will be changed, and it will be not very effective. So your torso should be parallel to floor. Okay, so just keep your torso like this and both shoulder in the same line. Do not hang your shoulder like this or elevate like this. Okay, so this is your starting position, and keep your neck neutral. Do not look forward like this, because if you look forward this, your neck will be in extended position and you will not be able to breathe properly, because your tongue will push your windpipe behind, so it will be difficult to inhale, exhale. So when your torso is down, then you have to keep neck in neutral position with your torso. Okay, so neck neutral and hands under the shoulder and your knee under the hip and equal distance between legs. Okay, both knees same side. Okay, and this is your starting position. Okay, so you have to change breathing at that point. Okay, and keep your dumbbell like a little bit neutral. Do not keep it like this, a little neutral in your shoulder position. This is neutral position. Okay, and now we will perform 5 repetitions. Okay, so inhale, up and down, then exhale. Again inhale, up, down, then exhale. Again inhale, up, down, then exhale. So do not go through like this. It should not collapse. You have to take this eccentric form with the control. Okay, it should be under your muscles control. Okay, so this is important thing. And when you doing this, okay, try to hold the dumbbell very tight. Okay, because grip, tight grip is also play important role in this. So if you are lifting very heavy weight, then definitely it will help you in this exercise. Okay, so your 5 repetitions. And okay, one more thing, when we doing any exercise which is unilateral, like if you finish one limb then start other limb, so in between two movement you have to take a small break, because when we are doing one side and now this muscle was fresh, so it performed very well. And after this exercise, like you did 10 repetitions, and after that 10 repetitions your heart rate become so high, so wait for your heart rate to become normal, so it will perform this side also similar. Otherwise there might be compromise in weight poundage, because this heart is already tired, so it will not be able to lift as much as it did here. Okay, so take a small break like 30 seconds or 1 minute, then you have to start with another side. Do not do back to back. Okay, so it is also very important when you're doing this. Okay, again start with this side, same thing, everything is same. Okay, take your position, inhale, up, down, then exhale. You do not have to move your whole portion. Okay, just move like this, only move your arms. Okay, you have to stabilize your whole this portion, shoulder portion. Okay, it should not be most common mistake people do this one. Okay, so if you move this, it means there are a lot of muscles, other muscles are also involving, so it will become easy. So you have to just move your arms like this, do not move any other torso position. Okay, this one, it is also important. So this exercise similar to the seated row, like if I am doing seated row, so in this position I am pulling this time you see only my arms moving, not this whole portion. So same thing you doing, the difference is here your torso is upright like this way, and in this we are just changing the position of our torso against the gravity. Okay, but the movement is same. Here we doing with both hands together, and here we doing with one hand, but you have to stabilize your whole portion, just this movement, do not do this one. Okay, this is also important. So this is for back, latissimus dorsi, but it is not very important, as I mentioned earlier, it is not very important exercise. So after doing all the back exercises, all the variations, if you still feel like you have energy and you want to utilize 100% energy, then in the end you can add this exercise. Okay, otherwise try to stick with leg pull down and chin ups and bent over. These 3 exercises are very important and very effective for your latissimus dorsi muscle group. Okay guys, so if you have any confusion in this exercise, please write me on the comment box and we will talk about it later. Thank you so much.